What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And I wouldn't believe it if I haven't seen it myself, but you can actually transform a Mazda MX-5 into an Alfa Romeo 158. No matter how wrong this sounds, this is a new kit that just came out that actually allows you to give the legendary Alfa Romeo 158 starting from the base of a Mazda MX-5. And this result is pretty crazy. Now, all you need is a second generation Mazda MX-5 or a carcass of the famous Mazda Spider to make it into a fascinating Alfa Romeo single-seater. Now, the kit is able to replicate the incredible fidelity of the Alfetta or the Alfa 158 that Alfa had produced until 1950, winning practically everywhere and laying down the foundations of the 159 that won the first Formula One World Championship in 1950. Now, the Mazda MX-5 lends itself very well to transformation, but it's not even the first time it's been used underneath icons from the automotive past. But this time, however, the result is simply crazy, and that would be an understatement. Now, the Type 184 kit includes the adoption of a special element to revise the chassis, as well as new paneling to obtain the characteristics bodywork of the Alfa Romeo 158. Nothing is left to chance as well, where the exhaust has 8 tailpipes, the same useful for 8 cylinders of the original engine, although only 4 are functional and the other 4 have an aesthetic function. Now, as was customary for the time, the technical confirmation of the single-seater gave the car its name. The Alfa Romeo 158 got its name thanks to a 1.5-liter engine with 8 cylinders. It follows therefore the kit called the Type 184 that continues on this line, since the engine now remains the only original one of the Mazda MX-5, which is a 1.8 with 4 cylinders. Now, the interesting thing is that this can be practically assembled at home by yourself, a guide that guides you, the builder, step by step. It's kind of like putting together IKEA furniture. Now, the incredible result was presented during the episode of Ant Mission Alpha 158 that aired on Motor Trend. However, to purchase the kit, you will need to hurry since there are only 10 copies. In fact, you can only buy them directly online. So you will then have to get the complete kit, and the introductory price is not particularly disproportionate. 7,499 pounds are needed excluding taxes, or just over 8,000 euros. So with that said, is it worth it for you guys to change a Mazda MX-5 into a 158? Let me know down in the comments below, because I know it's kind of like a identity crisis. It's kind of like being a poser, being fake, being phony. We understand the love for the car, for the legendary Alfa, but should we see things like this on the road? I've always had a love-hate relationship with replica vehicles, as I appreciate the time and craft that goes into putting them together. Not exactly sure about the whole, I guess I want to say, morality of it. So with that said, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving it a big thumbs up will help get the video up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can talk about transforming your Mazda MX-5 into an Alfa Romeo 158. Now with that said, if you guys want to further help support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. You can also check out the Patreon, be a monthly subscriber there, or you can check out the Ron's Rides merch, where you get t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, long sleeve shirts, everything Ron's Rides. You can also check me out on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok. See everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo. It doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe, but click the notification bell so you do not miss one Ron's Rides video. With that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day. We'll talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.